Let's go to our solution setup. On the setup section, we have here external parties, external party types. So here's the way to create an external party. The external party are objects that are used to store details on any person external to the business, which one is associated with the system in the capacity of initiating or participating in a case. Using a single object allows a person enter as an external party to act in different capacities without the need to re-enter that person's information. For example, the business may deal with complaints received from the general public. Therefore, the DCM has a case type of complaint. The initiating party will be known as a complainant, so we will create this party type to link to the complaint. Information such as name, addresses, contact details, and so forth will be captured using this new object. So let's start creating this new external party. Here we have the plus button, add new. We are going to create the complainant. Complainant. So external party demo. And you can assign this new to a party model, for example. And that's it. Let's keep it simple. Okay, so this is our external party, the data model for this complainant. Remember, here we are going to add the details of this external party. For example, name. This is text, right? I don't know. For example, phone number. Oops, sorry. Text also. Let's say the street address, right? City address. Just for the demo, we are going to create this only 4 attributes. Save it. Okay, let's check the status report now. See, our complainant is not ready because we need to run a deploy. All the attributes are missing. So let's go and do the deploy. Deployment management. Preview. This deploy will take about 5 minutes, so I'm going to stop the recording and see you in 5 minutes. Alright, the build was successful. Less than 5 minutes. Let's apply the changes. Remember, this step is almost all the time less than a minute, 20-30 seconds. And it's done. Deployment has been completed. So let's go back to our configuration. external parties, party types, complainant, status report, and it's perfect. Everything is okay. The data model was deployed successfully. Okay. And other thing that is set by default is here in external party settings. So in this, by default, is saying that this configuration is going to show the cases where the external party is the owner or is a case party. You can change that to only show cases where the external party is owner or external party is in the case party. The other configuration is to remove every time you create a new external party if you would like to create or not a work basket. I'm going to keep this by default just to show you that you have additional settings, and every time you change these settings you need to write here publishing. You need to deploy these changes. Alright, the changes are published. Let's go back to the case management. Here in the external left side menu we have the external parties, and you see we have the complainant here created. Okay, I'm going to click search. There is no complainant. So let's go and create a new external party. Phone number, and the street address, 123 Main Street, City, LA. Save. So here's our new external party. Let me close here. Search for parties or a specific case party type here, complaining, and search the new already created external party. You can open it here, right? Perfect. So we have our first external party. And selected, we can create a new case for this external party here. So testing external party case. Right. I'm going to save it. Let's say this is right. So this is a new case, and the owner is this external party. We can also add an external party here, external party. Search for complainant, and this will be the customer, for example. Save. See, now we have one external party as case party, and also the external party as owner of the case. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.